Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make this player move in the y-axis. So what I want to do is first we're gonna go to the variables and click on the make a variable one and write down gravity, and next we're gonna write down jump, and next we're gonna write down speed underscore y. And for what we have here is we have set gravity, but instead of set gravity, we're gonna drag the set speed by to 0 after the broadcast start. And next, what we're going to do, we're gonna click in place of set speed by, we're gonna click set gravity, and in place of, and we're gonna drag down the set gravity to 0, and instead of 0, we're gonna write down set gravity to -1 and put it after the speed y, set speed y to 0. And next, we're gonna grab the set jump. Instead of set gravity to 0, I'm gonna grab set jump to 0, and now I'm gonna drag the set jump to 0. Instead of set jump to 0, I'm gonna write down set jump to 16 and drag the set jump to 16 after set gravity to -1, and I'll just click on the when clean up blocks. Once we finish creating all those three variables, I'm just gonna go into the events and grab when I receive start. And next, what we want to do, next we're gonna go to control and grab the forever loop. And next, we're gonna make a function, so we have to go to my blocks, make a block. So for first function, we're gonna write down is gravity underscore pull. And for define gravity underscore pull, we put aside, and we'll just drag this gravity underscore pull in the forever loop. And next, and for define gravity underscore pull, what I want to do is first we're gonna go to the variables and grab change. In place of change gravity by 1, we're gonna click change speed y by 1. But in place of change speed y by 1, we're gonna drag change speed y by gravity, and we put it inside after define gravity underscore pull. And next, what do we want? Next, we need to go to motion and grab change y by 10. But in place of change y by 10, we have to go to variables and we're gonna grab the speed y bubble in place of 10. And here we have a defined gravity underscore pull. Let's test if gravity is working. Yes, the gravity is working because the player has come down from platform to lava. That's good. Next, the second function of ground underscore collision. Ground underscore collision. And we'll try to define ground underscore collision. And I'll just clean up the blocks. Let's go to control and grab the if then block and put it after define ground underscore collision. And right now for that we need to go to sensing and grab if touching platform and place it on if blank space then. Now right now we need to go to motion and grab change y by 10. In place of change y by 10, we're gonna just first go to the operator sign and grab the multiplying one, and in place of 10 we're just gonna put it there. And next we need to go to variables and grab speed change y by speed y to multiply times -1. And next we need to grab the set speed y in place of set gravity to 0. We're gonna drag down the set speed y and we'll place it after change y by speed underscore y. Let's check if the ground collision works. Yes, our player can move down Next, we need to go to make a block function and write down jump, and we're gonna take this define jump after ground define under ground underscore collision. Right now we need to grab the jump from make a block one and we'll put it inside the forever loop after ground underscore collision. And for define jump, what we need to do, we need to go to control one and grab if then block. And next we need to go to sensing and grab if up arrow key is pressed. And next we need to grab if the variables. So we're gonna grab, instead of set priority 0, we're gonna grab set speed y to 0. In place of 0, we're gonna grab the jump bubble 1. And let's test it out if our player can jump up. Will it work? Yes, the player can jump up. That's the video and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.